Hello everyone, I am back once again to help you out with a new tutorial video about how to change your password in Splitwise app. If you are watching us for the first time, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new informative videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Splitwise app. After that, click on account. Then you'll see pencil-like figure. You have to click on that. After clicking on that, account settings will appear. Then click on edit and put your current password and enter your new password. Likewise, click on save changes. After this, your password will be changed. You can check either your password is changed or not by logging out your account and logging it once again with a new password. So yeah, this was it. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you really like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. See you in next video. Bye bye.